Yes, Miss Gizelda, Lord, me glad to hear your voice. Yes, man, they no call me, I call you when me can't get you, me heart just I go heart a claps, you know. Cause me I wonder if everything alright with you. Yes, man, me hear about the earthquake we just jerk Jamaica. Then me daughter, she a show me all pan the computer the way I galang done there. What a sin thing. God a come for your world, you know. He must show we sign and he must use it for humble some way. But as me there, you know, me catch me little afraid though, you know, because as you know, say for me little house top round there, I think they never too nail done too good, so me I wonder if they tear off. And Rufus, he woulda never know, cause he mother lie down the same way and don't know what a go on. Yes, man, walk go round there for me and go see if everything circumspect. Yes, man, all me two hill I am them, and me two little sorry up there. I wonder if they alright. Yes, you give a high there for me, man. Them me no hear say all cement company, them na for them. Me no know, me not even know like they say something like them roof blow off or me not even know. Me can't get the story straight. So I'm go give a high pa Miss Lydia up at top there because fear house no rooted well in the ground, you know. Yes, man, give a high, man. Yes, since man go look if he alright. And what about me to hug them down a hug pen? I wonder if them blow gun. Oh, and check on that cellar if he fall there alright. Yes, yes. Me a wait right here so till you call back. Yes, missus, me alright, but you gonna go check everything and call me back, let me know, no. Alright then, alright, Miss Gizelda. God bless you, ma'am.